Hi guys, my name is Vlatka and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to make Kumihimo earrings. These are super easy and quick to make and can be a perfect gift for any earring lover. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss my new tutorials. Now, are you ready for some knotting? Then let's begin. To make this bracelet you need 16 strings in total. 14 strings, each 40 centimeters long, divided into two groups, and 2 strings, each 25 centimeters long. You also need 2 earring hooks. I use earring hooks, also known as fish hooks, and I will share a link where to buy some in the description below. And you need a Kumihimo disc. I made mine out of cardboard and it has 16 notches. I will link a tutorial on how to make the Kumihimo disc and where to buy some in the description below. I do not use any additional jump rings to connect the strings and the fish hook. Instead, I attach the strings directly to the hook. Let me show you how to do it. Take one string from the first group of the longer strings, fold it in half, and pass it through that small ring at the end of an earring hook. Space out the strings at the top to form the loop, and pull the strings hanging at the bottom through that loop to form a knot. Then use your fingers to tightly hold the knot we just tied while you make another knot with your other hand as close to the ring as possible, like this. And that's it. One down, one to go. Follow the same process and attach one string from the other group of longer strings to the fish hook as well. Now, we need to connect the hooks with the rest of the strings. Fold the remaining strings from each group in half. Take one hook and one group of strings. Place one string attached to the hook underneath the rest of the strings. Take the other string and tie a knot with them around the rest of the strings, as close to the middle as possible. Tie 2 more knots with it. Adjust it a bit. Repeat the process with the other group of strings and you are done. Now it's time for braiding. Take the Kumihimo disc, push the hook through the hole in the center of the disc and hold it on the other side with your fingers while you attach the strings to the disc. In total, we have 28 strings attached to the hook, which we will split into 7 groups of 4 strings and attach each group to the disc like this, separated one from another with one free space. Once done, adjust the strings a bit, so that the hook, which we pull through the hole, is in the center, and the strings are prepared. You may have noticed that there is an additional free space on the disc. it is our starting position. Take the third group of strings on the left and move it into the free space. Then turn the disc counterclockwise until the new free space which is created is in the starting position. Again, take the third group of strings on the left and move it into the free space. Turn the disc counterclockwise until the new free space which is created is in the starting position. Continue doing so until you are satisfied with the length of your earring. Once you are satisfied with the length of your earring, adjust the bottom part a bit. Take one of the shorter strings we prepared at the beginning and tie a knot with it around the earring, as close to the base as possible, like this. Use your fingers to help yourself tie a knot as tight as possible, to prevent unbraiding when we remove all the strings from the disc. Now, adjust the earring a bit again and tie a square knot with the shorter strings onto the longer strings. If you do not know how to tie a square knot, I will link a tutorial in the description below. Repeat the process with the other earring, and once done, all that's left to do is to cut off the excess strings. Straighten all the strings and use your scissors to cut them off at the desired length. And that's it! Your Kumihimo earrings are done. Do you like them? Will you try to make them? Let me know in the comment section below. If you found this video useful, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss my new tutorials. Not with you next week. Bye!